I'm sure you've been asked this many times, but how does your faith inspire you to work for human rights and justice in the Philippines?
Okay, I think I can answer that because when I was red tagged, I was given 30 minutes by the Senate to explain what I'm doing. So this is my answer, and it is my answer to you too. I said it's very simple. Jesus had an option for the poor. I am a nun, therefore I am a follower of Christ. And if Christ is an option for the poor, I should also have an option for the poor. And if the poor are discriminated against and are oppressed, I have to be with them, not only in words, but I am with them in picket lines. To be with them in rallies. In other words, I have to be an activist,
Of course.
with them, for them, and with them.
Okay. Maybe just one more question. What's your advice for other members of the religious community who want to be more socially active?
That's what I said. I mean to say, if you really come to think of it, if they see their vocation as really as being radical followers of Christ, because that's what we are, then they have to realize that Jesus really had a special love for the poor, and that therefore all of us religious, if we are followers of Christ, we have to do as Christ did, and that is to love the poor. And loving the poor is not in words, but in action.
Yes po.
Yun lang po.
Okay.